Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the government has confirmed that a flight which landed in the island this afternoon with Jamaicans deported from the U.S. is not connected with President Donald Trump's recent executive order to enforce a nationwide immigration crackdown.
The flight landed at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. TVJ News has since learned that at least 3 of those who landed today are wanted by local police.
It's been 10 days since U.S. President Donald Trump signed an executive order to enforce a nationwide immigration crackdown. Already, countries like Colombia and Ecuador have received flights with deported migrants. So, on Thursday, when a flight with deportees landed at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, many began to speculate. But Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith says the flight is part of routine bilateral immigration exercises with U.S. authorities.
While new immigration enforcement measures will result in an increased number of Jamaicans being repatriated, there are several processes involved. The government of Jamaica is actively monitoring the situation and will continue our historically close engagement with U.S. authorities. Members of the public may wish to note, for example, that in continuance of regular monthly arrangements previously in train, the first such scheduled flight for 2025 has arrived in Kingston.
Illegal migrants in the U.S. are on edge, so too some Jamaicans locally, who are concerned that an influx of deportees, some of whom may have criminal record, could pose a threat to national security and public safety. The government says the potential threats are being assessed.
Persons subject to deportation fall into different categories. Some individuals have been convicted of very serious criminal offenses, including violent crimes, while others may have breached immigration laws but have otherwise been law-abiding residents engaged in productive employment. From a citizen security perspective, as a government, we are particularly concerned about the potential impact of the anticipated increased return of individuals with serious criminal backgrounds. The National Security Council is therefore rigorously assessing associated risks and is actively engaged in formulating strategies to mitigate potential threats to public safety.
Meanwhile, opposition leader Mark Golding has responded to the U.S. plans to use remittances as a way of curbing illegal immigration. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis wants to require anyone transferring money abroad or remittances to show proof that they are not an undocumented immigrant.
Anything that would jeopardize the right of our people, our nationals, to send funds home to support their families and to invest in Jamaica and do whatever they want to do would be a major concern for us. And I'd expect our government to use whatever good offices are available to it through diplomatic and other channels to try and get President Trump to understand our side of the story and why this would be a very devastating thing for Jamaica, and to ask for him to look elsewhere, in terms of how he deals with his domestic problems.